isa pang blessing siguro sa iyo, ikaw yung kumanta ng theme song ng Christmas season.
Hindi ko po in-expect yun.
Paano ka napili? I know that you're one of the biggest stars ng GMA, pero...
Sir Erwin naman!
Pero ano feeling? Ano sinabi sa'yo?
The day before, ko lang po nalaman eh, the day before the shoot. Ay hindi, parang a few weeks na pala. Miss Reggie Bautista called me, the Vice President of Program Support Department. Asked me if I could sing the song. Sabi ko, sigurado po ba kayo? Eh, hindi naman po ako singer. Baka hindi ko ma-deliver.
Kahit may album ba, dalawa?
Yeah.
Oh, na-platinum na pala yun.
Thank you, Lord. Yes, we want you to sing the station ID. I said, sige po, I'll find the schedule. And then, nung nakita ko yung end product, sabi ko, wow, this is something else.
Kailan mo ni-record yun? Same day ba yun nung
station ID shoot ko, I recorded it at the same day.
Pero yung video nung habang kinakanta mo?
Siguro na-upload po siya 2 days after the shoot. So gulat po ako.
Pero magandang feedback, di ba?
Thank you po.
Kasi before, sila Reggie or yung mga lahat ng artists, ngayon solo mo talaga.
Grabe siya!
Grabe siya talaga.
Grabe, Sir Erwin! Well, it's a blessing po. It's a blessing. I just receive it full-heartedly.
Yes, sir.
With a humble heart. That's how I accept it.